This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Fatma Mokbel. Beautiful 2-story open floor plan home with 3-bed and 2.5 bath in Remington Ranch. The living/dining rooms are open to the kitchen. Tile flooring throughout the entire first floor. The kitchen has pantry, stainless steel refrigerator, 42-inch maple cabinets, and tile backsplash. All bedrooms are upstairs. The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet and primary bathroom that has separate tube and shower. Small study/nook. There are 2 secondary bedrooms and full bathroom that has a tube. A laundry room in the second floor with washer and dryer included. Recently painted. Conveniently located with easy access to I-45, Hardy Tollway, and Beltway 8. Ready to move in now. Won't last long.